Hi folks, I'm spring cleaning today, and that's why my desk is even more a mess than usual. But in the process, I'm going to get rid of two of these three objects. So some of you might know I'm an insomniac. The coffee probably doesn't help, but we won't talk about that. So these are, well, these claim to be blue light blocking glasses. So the first pair I got are these. I bought these from a company on eBay. They come in this sort of faux leather case thing. I don't think it's real leather. Doesn't matter, who cares. Now these have massive lenses, so I thought, oh, that's great. They're gonna cover my eye so blue light doesn't get in at the edges. However, using my blue reference object here, you'll observe that there is no change in colour. Maybe a slight greenish or yellowish tint. These are worthless. Do not buy these, it's a waste of money. I'm going to give these away. The second pair I got were a no-name brand off eBay, and you'll see they do provide a bit of a yellowish tint. It gets a little bit darker. However, there's still blue, right? There's definitely still blue in that box. It ain't working. These are also complete garbage. Now onto the third pair I got, the Spectra 479 ones. So these guys are actually very strongly coloured. I mean, that's really evident as opposed to the other ones. You can see that light is indeed very orange. And more importantly, if we look at the reference blue object, it's not blue anymore. That blue is being fully attenuated. They come in a box like this, and you'll see that these also block the green. In reality, all filters have a roll-off curve. It's not like a perfect brick wall like that. So these ones that block blue, it's just a tiny bit of blue they're blocking. These ones, they'll block the blue and then roll off into the green. So this is a rather dirty extractor fan with a blue LED. If I get the cheeky glasses, I mean, that's very, very marginally less bright, but that's not really filtering. If I go with the yellow sort of nicotine glasses, yeah, absolute rubbish. I mean, it's a bit darker, but not severely. And finally, the orange glasses, it's completely black. None of that blue light is going through. I've seen people on YouTube test these with a spectrometer. Don't do that. That's absurdly expensive. Using a blue LED is so much cheaper, and these LEDs are a relatively narrow band, so it's pretty accurate. If you really care, you can buy an LED with a specific wavelength and test the cutoff, but who cares? I think we've proven the point. So I hope that was helpful. I'm gonna basically keep these and get rid of the other two, so I just wanted to share this information before I got rid of those. I hope this helps, and to all the other insomniacs out there, sweet dreams.